This is called Operation School Bell, and for us as a charitable organization, the Bruin Fan Alliance, to be given the opportunity to involve ourselves and partner up with the LAPD and have our wonderful ambassadors come and spend their day and volunteer their time to help young people feel loved and supported. And Operation School Bell is run and overseen by the coordinator, who's Adrian Seltzer. Turns out he's a Bruin alum. Lineup, and we have volunteers here basically at 7:30 in the morning, getting everything ready, backpacks, shoes, books. Our partner, our officer James Michael Bland, who's also part of the Bruin Fan Alliance.
It just so happens that I stumbled upon the Bruin Fan Alliance about a month and a half ago. I asked them to put their mission and their philosophy into action, and that's what you're seeing today. Operation School Bell is a program that outfits some of the most needy, underserved, disadvantaged, vulnerable, and most deserving kids in LA Unified School District. It's one thing for me to say, commit to education, but it's another thing for them to see Dietrich Riley telling them that, Donovan Carter telling them that, Sean Westgate telling them that, Aaron Hester telling them that, and Nigel Helms telling them that. Just out here volunteering today, doing exactly what the Bruin Fan Alliance was set up to do.
Operation School Bell!